Alright guys, this is bank D, and D as in Dequinder for this one. 1 and 2. That'll be this one. Ooh, these ones are tall. 6 stories. Here we go, we got some tractions most likely. There at the top of the 6th floor. Look at that tall cap. Here we go down. This almost looks like it's open. Oh, it is open. So this one, 5. And this one just left. Here's your panels right there. You got emergency elevator power. You got the access control, firefighters operation. Here's number 1.
He said, I didn't hear you at all.
No problem.
I said, so you just heard.
This one has a small cab though, unfortunately. It doesn't have a tall one. Westinghouse door track. Let's go down. Nice elevators, I really like these.